We want to use the discriminant to determine how many solutions exist. So normally you could end up doing the quadratic formula and figuring out exactly what x's values would be. But we don't want to know that. We just want to know, hey, how many solutions exist here? Is there none, one, or two? So what happens is basically this guy, he either's not crossing at all, so there's no solutions. He crosses twice, so there's two solutions. Or he just comes down, touches, and bounces back up, and there's only one solution. That's what we're trying to figure out. Now, to do that, in the quadratic form, you have the opposite of b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. That solves the whole thing. But what we realize is the only part we have to worry about is really this b squared minus 4ac, because if that's negative, there's no real number solutions. If it's a 0, the square root of 0, we're going to end up with opposite b. We're going to be adding 0 and subtracting it. We're going to get the same solution. So if it's a 0, there's one solution. And then finally, if it's a positive number, we're going to be adding it, getting a solution, subtracting it, getting a solution. So we need to figure out what b squared minus 4ac is. Remember, a is this piece, so a is 3. B is what's in front of x, that's -1. And c is the piece right there, -8. So we have -1 squared. This right here, -1 squared. What's -1 squared? That's 1 minus 4 times 3 times -8. So it's 1 minus, these multiplied right here are going to be -96. So that's going to change to plus. So it's going to be, so you're going to end up with something like the opposite, in this case, opposite of b, which is 1 plus or minus this all over 2 times over 6. So you're going to be adding it, dividing by 6, subtracting it, dividing by 6. You're going to get two solutions here. If it's a positive number underneath this radical, you're going to get two solutions. If it's negative, there's not any solutions. And if it's neither positive or negative, meaning you got 0 in there, there's going to be one solution. But in this case, two solutions.